Hello everybody, there is a new release of DriveWire 4. This version, I'm going to call it 4.3.4p. There are some improvements and it's available for Windows, it's available for Linux x86 and Linux ARM Arch 64, specifically the Raspberry Pi, which is what I will be testing it on today. What you see right now is a brand new install of Raspian on my Raspberry Pi. It's untouched. There's nothing on there. And I will install DriveWire on there. So we'll just go to a browser here and wait till it loads. This is the first run of this browser, so it might be a little slow. Okay, here we just go to github.com/QBANCOFFEE/DriveWire4. Let's ignore all this stuff. Then we're going to go down and we're going to download a precompiled package, DriveWire 4.3.4p for Linux ARM. Now this includes Java, so there is no need to install Java on your system if you install one of these precompiled ones. See, I have a little warning here that you need to install a library first. We'll do that. And while that is installing, let's download the zip file. Okay, it is downloaded. This should be just about installed. Okay, let's go to downloads. Let's extract it right here. It's going to be a little messy, but that's fine. Let's go to our downloads. And then we will install it with the bundled install script. And this will install it and create a nice launcher for it. Okay, that came back. So now we can minimize all this, get it out of the way. It should be here in Other, and you'll see there's a nice icon for it. Let's start it up. It's a bit slow to start on a Raspberry Pi, but it does start. And here we see it looks a little different. The home page is what it will eventually be the DriveWire 4 main page. And it's got a bunch of added little goodies here. Now, let's configure this for use on a Coco 3, or for a Coco 3 rather. Okay. We'll finish the installation. TTY USB 0 is the serial port on this Raspberry Pi. And over here you can see my Coco 3 is ready to go, and it's plugged into my Raspberry Pi already, both serial and audio. So one thing that we're going to do is we're going to raise the audio from here. I'm going to load hdb-dos straight from here. So let's raise the volume on the Raspberry Pi. So one added feature that this has is we can load hdb-dos straight from here, from the browser. So let's come over here and let's do a clodum. And let's wait for that to load. So right from the browser, I can play hdb-dos 1.5 for the Coco 3. Just hit play, and we can see it loading over here. While it's doing that, let's load a game from Curtis Boyle's game site. I always test with RoboAttack rather, because I like it. We will load that. As you can see, it's available here. Drive 0, in memory only. Okay. Then we'll come over. hdb-dos is still loading. Should be just about done. Huh. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't realize that. If you leave the web page, it pauses. Let's go back. I might have to start this over. Okay. No problem. We will off and on. Well, that makes sense. If you leave the web page, of course, it's going to stop loading. So let's play hdb-dos again. As you can see, I'm playing it from here. I should have loaded the game first. No biggie. And in a moment, we will have the prompt back. Yeah, so just so you know, for future reference, make sure it loads first before using the browser to do something else. I should have known that. Okay, got the okay. Let's start up. Okay, let's do a dir. And there it is. It is available. You can see over here, if we go to the server activity, there's all sorts of interesting stuff happening here. And now we can load it, or load them. There you have it, DriveWire 4 on the Raspberry Pi. Easy to set up and install, and it works just about straight out of the box.